Did we actually have to take, did you already select?
What's your plan?
Oh, right, that was whatever night that was.
So you did, you started in the morning?
I wasn't sure if we went home before we really, and wrote out a plan before we really started.
Yes,
Morning on the second day, you started that.
Okay, that's what I'm talking about.
yes.
It wasn't.
We talked about it, I went
It
home.
was, so it's only been 3 days.
Yeah,
3
yeah.
days to get it.
I didn't add anything when we all went to
So
the
3 days to get
discrimination.
it. Right, 3 days to get it.
Table. Nice. And any tablecloth pecking?
Did you want to pull it and see those?
See it?
The straps?
Nice. Anytime you want to pull it. I don't know.
Watch the leading, watch the leading.
Good.
We're watching
There was
it.
nice timing.
Oh, I'd like to say, that was 15 seconds, that was very good. Yeah, you're counting very slowly. You want to count as soon as you're in position to respond, you get to start counting. If you want to do it the second time around, you can do that.
Nice.
Yeah, that's a pretty good way. That's a really good way. To miss perfect cone.
I wasn't that much.
You're slow.
Nice.
You want to start as soon as you pull it, and she was in position to respond. As soon as you, well, she was in position to respond as soon as you pull. She's very good about staying still. So you've got that really going on. So as soon as you pull, start counting. She's just standing. That counts. That counts. You want to try one more? Go ahead.
When you're ready.
Oh, sure. Absolutely.
Yeah, I was gonna say, you don't want it to catch the wrong one, and then you put down the target. Get a lot of the table. Sneak in the target. I saw that.
Yeah, and then she started getting a little bit of motion on that, so, all right, so let's get a little
Trained that bird for 3 minutes. As long as she can eat. All right, I think you're ready for a little bit longer of a wait. Okay.
Yeah, exactly.
Hey, she knows what that means. She knows what that means.
It's funny because we don't know it's
There.
So you need to pick them up, the coach can do is pick them up and throw them back on. Very close.
Yeah, I would be all right with that. Yeah, she did. Click first.
Coach, very, very good.
Click first before you move. But do you know what I'm saying? That
Very nice, very, very good.
move first.
Very good.
Yes, that would be good.
You said click first before you move, so I
Before you move your thumb, because you're bleeding.
Careful. He's gotten better.
Yes. It's not using it.
Now, if you are not on 4
No.
to 6, now, don't go before 6.
Yeah, I mean, she's got
Just a
it.
little bit.
And she also picked the wrong target. Like that
Don't
costs.
try for 4 if you're not at.
Really, 4 or 5 seconds for a error like that at this stage of the game. But you have to wait, I mean, now it's 4 or 5 seconds with that.
Is she down to 3 now because she?
Look at that. She didn't pick the wrong one. That's one of the first times that she hasn't just turned around and killed.
Yeah.
Like,
Oh, I'm. Good girl.
look now.
Yeah.
Good night, bird.
I'm liking it.
There's my bird.
Time on that. Good girl. Very nice. Graduate bird.
Here we are, trainer and coach.
Great job.
Here.
Yeah,
Then we don't have to do it tomorrow.
at some point tomorrow, I just need to take like, get her number, a couple things, I get my iPhone, so I have a couple.
Oh, yeah. If you want, I don't know if you want. She said, oh, great. Yeah. Oh, he sent it to you, got Dropbox, right?
Yeah,
I can't believe she didn't pay for it. I thought, no. So should I do her again?
Okay. And then we'll do this up and down. Yep. On cue.
We'll do it now. We've got time for it.
Yeah, you want me to send it to you?
You have to. Better off doing it than me getting it, because you'll never get it from me, right?
I know. Yeah. You got the 5 million things.
Yeah. So make sure we're not sending pictures. That's why I said, when I have them, I'll eventually get them to you. Trust me.
understand.
I have them. They exist.
And you know, it's like 5,000 things you have to do, and you have to push up March 10th. I know.
I actually do.
No distraction. We're just doing a weight. Weights, trigger, and back.
You guys have a camera.
All right.
Why don't we get this
Graduate
light up?
bird.
Okay,